Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO Interview Tutorials, and today we came up with an interesting video, that is how to create a calendar. So before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, and also check the playlist. You will find 137 plus videos related to most of the interview questions will be covered there. You will find videos related to Six Sigma certification, trainers, quality analyst, team leader, KPIs, Excel dashboards, reports, Google Data Studio, many more videos are there. So please watch out and crack your interviews very easily. Even you will find videos on SME, roles and responsibility, and WFM analyst. So let's start today's video on creating the calendar. So before moving to the video, let me remove all this data so that I can explain you in a better way. Okay. I want to remove this as well. Okay, this is also done. Now you need to create one table which consists of Monday to Sunday as an header, and that should have 7 cells in the vertical line and 6 cells in the horizontal line. Okay, this is done. Now I will add month here, that is Jan, and let me make it to merge center at some place. Go to the top of the page, you will find merge center option. Then here I will add 2024, and let me again do this merge center. This is done. Let me keep it into the center and let me add some color code here. Okay, this is done. Okay, color code is done. Now our data is ready. Let me add a data validation here so that I can get the rest of the months also. On the top of the page you can find file, edit, view, insert, format and data. Click on data, scroll it, you will find option of data validation. Once done this, you will go to the right hand side, you can find add rule. If you click on add rule, it will show you in the bottom, you will show you add another item. Add here Feb, then March, then April. I'm adding for just 2 or 3 months, you can add the rest. Same I will do it for 2024 also. Add a rule 2024, 2023 example. Okay, done. So this has been added. You can see here all my months are available here, and the years what I have added, that is also available here. Now the basic thing is done. If you have any confusion, please share your feedback in the comments. I will try to give the solution on it. I'm using a Google Sheet to prepare this calendar, guys. So let's do this practice on Google Sheet first, then you can jump to the Excel as well. Okay, let's move to the next part. In the below you can see there is a formula I have pasted. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to use the same formula. You have to use the same formula here. How you will use this? Equal to sequence. Okay, in the initial I told you that we have used 7 cells in the vertical side, or maybe horizontal side, and 6 in the vertical side. So I will mention the same thing here, 6 comma 7. I hope you understood why we have used this 6 and 7. Now comma, second I will use date value. This is done, date value. Then what I have to choose? I have to choose the month and the year. My month falls under, you can see here, if I click to the first point, it falls under C5, and year falls under G5. Okay, bracket close. Now I will do minus with weekdays. So this is the function we have to use it, guys. Now again I will use data, again I will use date value. Same I will use C5 as an month, and I will use G5 as an year. Now bracket close. What is this +2 -2? I will explain you in some time. Okay, let's see either our formula is working or not. We are preparing video today, that is 9th March 2024, and today is Saturday. Can we validate a date is showing correct? Yes, it's showing correct. Let me check for the March month. Oh my god, it's showing incorrect. Let me recheck it. Let me add the formula as +2. Now this is correct. You can see March month, it's showing Saturday 2024. It's Saturday for the March month. You can revalidate with the help of your mobile or the actual calendar. It will shows correctly. Let me explain you this formula once again. The sequence function will help you to create a sequence of the data post doing some calculation. Now 6 by 7 is the row and the vertical, the cells details. Data date value, which means what month and what year we are choosing. We are doing that particular date and year minus with the weekdays, because with the help of weekdays only we will identify the date. Now what is this plus 2? Sometimes in most of the companies they will create a calendar as Sunday to Saturday, or maybe like I have seen this, they are creating calendar with Sunday to Saturday, but I am creating my calendar with Monday to Sunday, which means I am jumping to plus 2. Okay, so plus 2 here. If I want to create a calendar from Sunday to Saturday, example, if I'm starting from Sunday here, okay, I'm starting from Sunday here, and let me paste it here. My formula gone wrong now. Okay, you can see here my formula gone wrong now. So what I need to do here is I will do just plus 1. You can see here my formula worked now. In the March, it's Saturday is the 9th. So I believe you understood what is this plus 2 and plus 1. It's just the sequence what we are changing, either from Monday to Sunday, or from Sunday to Monday, or Sunday to Saturday, what we are doing. So this is plus 1 and plus 2 logic. You can prepare your calendar with the help of this formula, and you can get the clear understanding with it. If you still have any challenge, any doubt, please let us know in the feedback. I will surely help you with out, guys. And don't miss to like the video and share with your colleagues who are working with you and eagerly to learn with the Excels and all the latest tricks. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.